Hey guys, what's up? Zijin here, and this is the unboxing of the Chuwi Hi12 keyboard. I just got this in, and I'm pretty excited to try it out with my keyboard. So let's actually open this up and see what we got inside. I need a scissors or something, or keys. Let's see. There we go. Okay, here we got a cardboard box for the thing, and it's really crushed. There's nothing else inside. Put this aside. There's a GearBest thing as well. Writing a review. I'll probably do. Maybe I'll even get 16 points. And this is the box. It's a little crushed. I hope the keyboard is okay inside. Let's see what we got. Oh, right. Gold. I think I ordered like silver, but oh well. Okay, so I'm gonna put that aside. It's actually a lot heavier than I thought. All right, so this is the keyboard. Pretty good. It's plastic, but the plastic seems to be soft touch plastic, so like kind of like the rubbery plastic, not the crappy feeling plastic. And then you have, it actually feels pretty good. I like it a lot. So, and we have the 4 legs over here, a bunch of screws. We have 1 USB port, that's good. I wonder if there's one more here. Two USB ports, that's great. So now this tablet, once you put the keyboard in, there's gonna be 4 USB ports. So I'm gonna turn on this tablet actually, right now, just in case. And let's talk about, oh, and then there's these rubber legs. And just to let you know, I'm afraid these might fall out. Not because it's Chuwi, but because my Asus T100 had the exact same thing. These things fall out, and then the tablet no longer slept when it was closed. So I hope it doesn't fall out here. Okay, so the keys themselves, they look fine. They look pretty good actually. And you got your 3 dots over there. You have travels pretty good. The springs inside are pretty firm, but they feel a little mushy. I don't know how to describe it to you. Hopefully I can describe it to you later when I update my review. But so the keys, they spring back pretty good. They feel pretty good quality, but they feel mushy when you press it down. I'm not sure how to describe it. But yeah, so far so good. Then you have your mouse pad, which is really wide, but not a lot of space to gesture scroll, left click, right click. And then you have the dock. All right. So I'm gonna turn this actually. Oh man, it's actually really hard to turn. Okay, so I'm gonna put it in and see if I wonder if it's on. Yep, it's on. Okay. So the magnet. Oh, it's really stiff. Okay, that's why. But yeah, so you can take it out pretty easily. There's no touch button. You just go like this and just go whoosh, and it goes in. Let's see if you can hold it on. I'm gonna make it so that it'll fall out easily. Seems to be fine. The hinge seems to be holding it pretty well. Let's take it out. I wonder if it'll scratch this. So let's put it in. Magnets are pretty strong, but still not as strong as a Surface Pro 3, Surface 3. Man, it's too bright, too dark. I can't see. But yeah, I'm actually I'm a lot more impressed with this plastic than I probably was at first, because I didn't realize that it was the cool type, like the good feeling type of rubbery plastic, and not the hard plastic. So like this keyboard I have as well. See, the plastic here is pretty crappy, but this one is good plastic, as good as plastic can get, of course. So okay, open this. Microsoft Word. So open that. Oops. I thought I accepted already. Too big. Hello everyone. How are you doing? Keys are pretty good. I like them. And then, let's see. Scroll's okay. It's not bad, but it's not that good either. So let's open something like this. Let's go to Red Flag Deals. I would go to Mobile Tech Asia, but Red Flag Deals has pretty good deals right now, so. How do I never ask? Ah, it's annoying. Don't disable. Okay, scrolling. So scrolling is responsive, but it doesn't have that like smooth feedback. You can see that it's very, very rigid. So it goes in discrete steps instead of a smooth scroll. I don't mind, at least it's responsive. I wonder if there are any, oh, so there are swipe gestures. So there's left swipe, right swipe, down swipe, up swipe, oh, up swipe. But yeah, so these do work. It's good. Yeah. So let's try it again. What's up? So yeah, I like this keyboard quite a bit. I'm gonna be releasing a full video on the keyboard. So stay tuned and have a great day.